Hey guys, it's Lauren, the female filmer. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something slightly different. We're going to do a trade mail, but it's a whole video because I have quite a few things in my pile I've gotten in the mail the last couple weeks. Um, just a variety of things I've purchased, things some of you guys have sent me, things friends have sent me. So there's definitely some variety. I did want to talk about since I've been out of classes, I've been trying to post 2 times a week on YouTube, and school starts again next week. So I'm not sure if with school I'll be able to keep up with the 2 times a week posting. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try. But next week is gonna be insane because it's literally school starts and then Amherst, the Railroad Hobby Show. So next week is going to be insane. But that's okay. Uh anyway, let's get into the train mail portion. What do we want to start with? I guess things I purchased. So first up, I got some stickers. If any of you follow me on my other pages, I posted a preview of these. I got female filmer stickers. So this is not my final logo. This was actually like version 1 of the logo. We're still working out a few little kinks, but I wanted to have something to give to some of you in passing at Amherst, and so I did order a little bit of stickers. Um, so it'll be kind of first come first see me uh, to get a sticker, but here we are. Female filmer double F in the Keystone because as Pensy and Burlington are my favorites, as I have a Burlington sign right there. But as you can tell, rectangle kind of boring. Not super fun. But Keystone is a fun shape. So, that is that. I'm excited. They came very quickly and I was very happy about that. Another purchase I made, so this is from Deep Fried Studios. He does train t-shirts, a lot of which are inspired by like vintage advertising and all that. This will probably be my third. This is my third round of shirt purchases. Um, he let me purchase these ahead of time, so the shirts I'm about to show you will not be on his website until January 20th. So January 20th, these will be available to the public. But if I waited till January 20th, I would not have them in time for Amherst. And Kendall, I wanted to get Kendall a cool train shirt because Kendall has some train shirts, but I don't know, they're just kind of eh. And I thought he should have a fun train shirt to wear around Amherst one of the days. And then I just ended up buying myself one too. We won't wear them the same day because I don't do the whole twinning thing. Not my cup of tea, not his cup of tea either. But without further ado, because I keep rambling, the shirt. So it's Milwaukee Road. Kendall likes Milwaukee Road quite a bit. Milwaukee Road is who had the Bellevue and Cascade for a long period of time. The 055 caboose at Midwest Central, which was a Bellevue and Cascade caboose, is marked CMSTP. So, yes. But can we talk about this shirt? It's so cool. It looks like a playing card. This was an actual advertisement Milwaukee Road had, and it is so cool. It looks like a giant playing card. So I bought 2 of those. As I said, they'll be available on the website. I'll link the website down below on the 20th. But so I purchased those for the show. He also sent some Milwaukee Road stationery. So that's fun. Very fun. Okay, those were my purchases. Next up, a friend of mine, Scott, sent me this, and I should have waited to open it on camera, but I'm impatient, and I really wanted to see what it was, and it's so amazing. But it's a GG1, an N scale GG1, and you're probably thinking, Lauren, you do HO. That is true. But I do have several friends with N scale layouts, so I can now have something of my own to run on their layouts. But it's so pretty. Beautiful. It's a Kato GG1. It's in the black scheme. If I can open it. N scale is so tiny. But there we are. Beautiful, beautiful engine. I think it's so funny that I have a N scale GG1 before I have an HO GG1. There's one I keep eyeing at our local hobby shop, the hobby shop in Ames, but I haven't decided yet because I'm not sure which one I want to get. But yes, I was very, very, very excited when I opened that box. I was geeking out a bit. Next, this was sent by a follower. This is some of the stuff from their model layout. I think they have their own, like, it's their own freelance proto. I still get all that confused. I should know by now, but yeah, I think it's like their own personal freelance road. Woodhog Lumber, he sent some stickers. And then a coaster, which is I don't have any wood coasters. This is nice. And then a mouse pad, which I just dropped the package. Whoops. I actually needed a mouse pad for work. So that's fun. Thank you so much for sending that. I'm trying to not knock everything over. We'll see. And then the piece de resistance, the last little bit. So this came from someone I know from TikTok. They are a fellow modeler in Iowa, in the Quad Cities area, and know him through TikTok and all that. And he is starting a new 3D printing business called Quad City Scale Prints. So he sent me a letter and he was like, "Hey Lauren, here's some of the new products I'm making for his new business." His name's Gary. I'll have like the information down below with his website and stuff. So first thing he sent was a ballasting tool because he saw my video of me using a spoon and was like, I have something that you could need. And it's really nicely packaged. And there's nice instructions on the inside, which I appreciate. 90% of the time I'm someone who reads the instructions. So it's this little thing, and you put the ballast in, and then this slides on the track. Like so. So it's going to be a little bit before I ballast again because I was just ballasting for my little diorama set that I was working on, and so my layout is obviously in construction if you've seen the last couple of videos, so it's going to be a hot second before I can use this. But I'm very excited to use this. This seems like it might be a lot easier than my spoon. So, very appreciative of that. Okay, I'll put that away. And then he sent some of his other little printed like scenery type things. So here are some barrels. 55-gallon barrels. Here's an ATM or ticket machine. We have an air compressor. Ooh, barrels on a pallet. Oh, I need a little forklift. And I can move the barrels on a porta potty. The concrete barrier walls. The larger size of the concrete barrier walls. And then the 2 packs of barrels. So super nice of him. I can't wait to put these paint them up, figure out how I'm going to put them in my layout when I get there. But yeah, if you're interested in checking out his stuff, I'll have the website down below. Printed and made in Iowa, so support local. I mean, local for me. It might not be local for you, but you get where I'm going with that. Anyway, so just a quick little video. Thank you to everyone who has recently sent me things. I'm very grateful and I appreciate it so much. I'm very excited about this, and the GG one. Now I need to go back to Ethan's house and put it on, get it to work. But yeah, thank you everyone. I hope you have a fantastic weekend or weekday whenever you end up watching this. I am so excited for Amherst in the coming week. Be sure to be on the lookout for that content. I'll probably post most of the as it's happening content on my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my TikTok. Though all of those are at the Female Filmer. Everything I have is at the Female Filmer. So all the in the moment content will be posted on those, and then maybe as we're flying back home, I'll start getting work done on the YouTube video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it per day, the whole weekend. I haven't decided yet. I guess it depends on how much footage I get, will be how many videos get generated out of this. And I guess since we're ahead of time, is there any specific content you're wanting to see from Amherst? Are you wanting to know what the manufacturers are announcing during Amherst? Are you just wanting to see what all the booths are, what the layouts are? What specifically would you want to see? I'm open to suggestions. So if there's something specific you're wanting to see, I can try my best to film it or take photos of it and that. So comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Keep on steaming.